The space sector is something the UK is really good at. I think now is probably the most exciting time for space that I've known.
This is the next generation of satellite communication. We're able to connect remote locations with fibre-like speeds wherever you are.
The opportunities are pretty much limitless. OneWeb is a genuinely transformational technology.
The World Wide Web is not really the World Wide Web. Not everybody is connected to the internet. So we're building out a low Earth orbit satellite constellation, and we're providing connectivity. So anywhere on Earth you are, we can provide you with internet access. We connect the unconnected.
The Satellite Applications Catapult is a company that's been running for 8 years now. And what we try and do is help organisations, from government departments to businesses and other commercial organisations, help them make better use of space technology. OneWeb is a fantastic new company. In the summer of last year, the UK government decided to invest into the establishment of the company, and what they're looking at doing now is introduce a new satellite communications infrastructure that will underpin the future evolution of technologies. We're going to be able to connect people around the world at fibre-like speeds in ways that we've never been able to do before. Things like autonomous vehicles, drones, robotic shipping, all of these new technologies that we know are coming are going to require the services of OneWeb.
OneWeb have a demonstration centre in Westcott in Buckinghamshire. It's the first one we have. This is a really, really exciting milestone for OneWeb. This demonstration centre will allow our partners and distribution partners, our customers, to come along. They can see our user terminals. They can test their own capabilities. We can connect them to the internet through our satellite constellation.
What we're looking to do here at the Westcott Innovation Centre is bring together companies like OneWeb, together with those companies who have problems to solve, and our role is to run projects and enable that innovation juices to flow and business creation to result.
Welcome to the OneWeb Service Demonstration Centre here at Westcott. Here you have our local user interface. So this is connected via fibre optic to our user terminals. We are online. We have a good signal to noise ratio. Our acquisition status is complete. That means we are connected to the satellite. Service is available. So from here, we know we're connected to the satellite through to the internet, across our satellite network, down to the ground station and back to an internet POP. So these are our user terminals. What happens is the primary antenna will actually be locked onto a satellite, but as the satellites move across, it may lose connectivity, but the secondary antenna has already picked up the next satellite in line. The white dots are our satellites orbiting the Earth, and the green line is which satellite we are actually connected to and passing data through. And you keep seeing it will switch from one satellite, and we'll go to the next satellite. So there we go, see? Now we're going to give you a speed test across our network from Westcott to the internet, running live across our satellite network. 95, 100, 120, 133, 145. This is real time, 165.1 megabits per second download speed. What a fantastic result.
OneWeb represents a real step change in what is becoming possible from space. If you can put high bandwidth communications reliably into the back of an ambulance, what does that mean for the sort of services that paramedics might be able to deliver in the ambulance, connected to a surgeon, connected thousands of miles away? What can you do then? Or on an oil rig?
You're at school in Alaska and you're trying to do online learning. You don't have the connectivity at the moment. With the OneWeb system, you will.
In years to come, I think we will see this point as being as transformational as the rollout of the mobile phones and as the rollout of smartphones in lifting us forward in our ability to connect around the planet. I think OneWeb is genuinely that transformational.